All right, Caps Ninja, Sensei Lance here again today with Sensei Alejandro. And what we're going to be discussing today is we're going to be discussing the lead jab. Now, this, in my personal opinion, is one of the most important strikes we learn. Because one, it's a nice, quick technique, and if done properly, you can get a lot more power behind it than you think. And also, it's theoretically one of our faster techniques because one, it comes from our lead arm, and two, it comes straight out, straight back. Okay, because as you're going to learn later on in a lot of your math classes, that the quickest path between 2 points is a straight line. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to discuss the lead jab. Okay, and Sensei here, if you notice, he's got his left foot in front, so his left hand is going to be the closer one to me. And of course, you know, holding the focus mitts, his left hand goes to my left hand. And what we're going to do is from here, I'm going to present the pad, and he's just going to hit it. And of course, using the focus mitts, his goal right now is focus and accuracy. That's it. Okay, so we're here, just like that. And notice he's turning his hips. The hand comes straight out and it's coming straight back. The same path that punch went out is the same path that comes back. So it's right here. Good. And that's just a great fast technique to use on the bad guy because, like I said, it's nice, fast, and can cause a distraction and you can make your getaway. Okay, so from here, what we're going to do is we're going to discuss one of my favorite ways to use the jab. We're going to do a double jab, which is a pop, pop, and it's nice and fast. If you watch Sensei do it. Here. There we go. There it is. Good. Now, as you can see, he's getting, when he uses his shoulders, his hips, he pushes with his legs, he's getting that nice pop on the jab, and it's hitting the mitt nice and solid. And from here, this is one of the reasons why I like using the focus mitts on this. As you know, bad guys, they move around a lot. They don't stand still. Their nose doesn't stay in the same place the whole time. Okay, so it's a little harder to hit. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to work the regular jab, just one, and I'm going to move the mitt around. Okay, but when I hold it up, he's going to pop it as quick as he can. So from here, up, good. Up, good. Up, good. Okay, and that is another little accuracy drill you can do to develop that jab. These are some great little drills. And like I said, this is one of our favorite techniques. And not just from a self-defense point of view, but from coaching the fight team and coaching the competition team. Sensei Alejandro has done plenty of competitions. And he knows that whenever you use this jab, the jab is so important because it sets up everything else. It doesn't matter what you like to do. From here, let's just say Sensei is a big-time puncher. He likes to punch. That jab can set up his right cross just like this. Just like that. Now, I know for a fact Sensei Alex likes to kick. So that jab can also set up his kicks. Okay? So he's going to be a jab roundhouse kick. So it's here. Oh, yeah. Okay? See, that jab can distract me so he can kick me. All right? Or if he's a grappler, from here, he can use the jab and use it to set up his clinch. Just like that. So no matter what you like to do, this is a great punch to practice. So I highly encourage it. And of course, like I said, if you don't have focus mitts, you can use your bare hands or whatever. But make sure to practice with a responsible adult. This is a great punch, and it'll be one of your favorites later on once you get used to it. All right, have a great day. Practice at home.